हेलो एंड वेलकम एवरीवन। वेंटिलेटर का हमारे आईसीयू में एक बहुत ही वाइटल रोल होता है। वेंटिलेटर को परचेज करने से पहले बहुत सारे की फीचर्स होते हैं जिसको हम माइंड में रखना बहुत ज़रूरी होता है। तभी हम एक प्रॉपर आईसीयू वेंटिलेटर चूज कर पाएंगे जो कि पेशेंट्स के लिए बेस्ट रहेगा। हमारे पास है VG70 मॉडल जो कि एक हाई एंड आईसीयू वेंटिलेटर है। VG70 के कुछ की फीचर्स और इसके डेमोन्स्ट्रेशन वीडियो को हम आज आपके साथ शेयर करेंगे। Let's begin with a quick overview. This is our VG70 ONMAD ventilator. This is a high-end ICU ventilator in which you can get invasive and non-invasive modes. When we start the ventilator, this interface will come on screen. And then, according to patient, we have to enter patient details. Like we have to select a new patient. Is he male or female? Like for example, we choose a male patient, and that is adult or child. This ventilator supports adult and pediatric both patients. We have selected adult patient. You can see by changing height, patient weight, body weight also increase. Then we have to select which mode of ventilation we want, invasive mode or non-invasive mode. For that, you can touch here. There are several modes: VCV mode, SIMV mode, PCV mode, spontaneous CPAP mode, PRVC mode, bivent mode. We select volume control mode. After that, we have to choose respiration rate, frequency of respiration. We have to choose 20. Then we have to choose tidal volume. Then we have to choose PEEP setting. By default, we use 5 PEEP. And after that, we have to choose percentage of oxygen. We can choose 21 to 100%. In this case, we are not connected oxygen supply, so we use this ventilator without oxygen on 21% of oxygen. We choose here 21% oxygen. Then inspiratory time. By default, this is 1 second. And T-pause. T-pause is by default 0. After verifying all the settings, we have to touch on start ventilation. After touching on start ventilation, immediately ventilation will start automatically. Oxygen alarm is there. That is because we have not connected any source of oxygen. If we change it to 21%, then ventilator switch to 100% on turbine and alarm will go away. This is pressure and time graph. This is flow and time graph. This is volume and time graph. If we want to change graph into loop, then we have to select from here. This is loop. You can check graph turn into loop. Here is graph and here is loop. Then if we want to close loop, then from here we can close the loop view, turn off loop. These are the basic settings which can be changed from directly here. Like if we want to change PEEP, if we change PEEP 0, PEEP was 5 there, but you can see PEEP is 0 here. If you want to change respiration rate, you can change directly from here. Previously we have set 15 and now we have set respiration to 24. Respiration rate is increasing. It will take approximately 10 to 15 seconds to get to set value. Here you can change tidal volume. Here 450, you can see the tidal volume will also start increasing. 405. After some time you will get your set value. These are the set values and these are the measured values. Measured values from the patient. You can check here peak pressure. Okay, here is PEEP. You have set 0 PEEP, but we are on a artificial test lung. There is some compliance, so you are getting PEEP 1. This is respiration rate. Here is oxygen saturation. We have not connected oxygen, so and there is no value of oxygen. This is minute volume and this is tidal volume. If you want to see more settings, you can touch here. You can also control inspiratory time and pause time. If you changing inspiratory time, you can see there is a change in graph. Look, previously graph was like this, but after changing the time, inspiratory time is increased. We will set back it to 1 second. This is pause time. Pause time means holding of inspiratory cycle. By default it is 0. You can see there is no pause, but if you change it, then you can see there is a little bit pause in inspiration. All the things you can see in graph. We'll change it back to 0. If you want to change any mode, you can directly change from here, SIMA mode. Verify the settings. If you want to change, you can change. If you want to change, you can change and then accept. SIMA mode is started. Here is some other features, like if you want to hold the inspiratory, that is normally doing when you are taking X-ray. If you press it, you can see inspiration is hold. When you release it, you can back into normal cycle. If you want to hold the expiratory, same, you touch and press here, expiratory cycle is hold. If you release it, expiratory cycle also starts. That is nebulizer option. This button is used for manual breath. You have set a breathing rate 24 breath per minute. If you want to put any extra breath, you have to touch it. Check. When you press it, extra breath will be given to patient. Like this. देखो यहाँ पे 38 आ गया था, तो जो यहाँ पे एक्स्ट्रा ऐड हुआ है वो मैनुअल ब्रीथ था. Yes, suction. Before patient suction, if you have set the oxygen value at any point, if you start suction, then oxygen will increase to 100% automatically. That is usually done before doing suction to patient. After pressing freeze button, the whole graph will freeze. You can observe anything. When you again press on freeze button, then graph will start. If you long press on screen lock, then there will be nothing if you touch any screen. That is used for accidental touch. If you long press on screen lock, you can access screen. And this is alarm limits. You can change alarm limits, like airway pressure limit, lower you can change. That is upper limit. That is minute volume alarm limit, and this is tidal volume alarm limit. This is a PEEP alarm limit. That is a apnea time alarm limit. If pressure is not taking breath for 20 seconds, then apnea alarm will trigger. Here you can find alarm logs, previous alarms. You can check if there are any alarm during the ventilation. This is lung mechanism, advanced feature. You can start lung mechanism. You can measure inspiratory resistance, that is currently 3.54, and this is last measurement. If you done it before, then last result will here and new result will be come here. See statics compliance, PI compliance. That is result getting from patient. For standby, you have to press it for 3 seconds. Then you can come into standby mode. High pressure oxygen port. This is low pressure oxygen port. This is inlet of air to turbine. That is battery cabinet. That is 12 volt external DC power source. This is on off button. You have to put in on position. This is safety cover. This filter is for internal electronics cooling. This is for external CO2 monitoring. आई होप आपको वीडियो अच्छी लगी होगी. अगर आप वेंटिलेटर को बाय करना चाहते हैं तो आप दिए गए नंबर पे कांटेक्ट कर सकते हैं. थैंक यू. This is our final testing area. We test all the monitors before packing and dispatch. There is packed material ready for dispatch.